Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the shelf holder in this LG refrigerator, you will need a jeweler's flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Lift the front of the shelf assemblies up and unhook them from their slots and pull them out. Using the screwdriver, pry out the upper and lower duct caps. Take out the 2 screws securing the shelf holder. Remove the holder by lifting it up and out. Remove the new shelf holder from the packaging. Insert the new shelf holder and secure it with the 2 screws. Place the upper and lower duct caps in position. Hook the shelf assemblies into their slots and gently set them. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.